Let's make a late night snack. First, you're going to need some muffins and a tub of ice cream. I went with some chocolate muffins, of course. First, you want to peel that bad boy. And then what you're going to do is cut it into quarters. Once you do that, you want to throw that bad boy in the microwave for about like 30 seconds. Ooh, yeah, nice and moist. Then grab your ice cream and put that on top and mix it up, just like this. Fluffy, cakey, creamy, divine, y'all. It's pretty good. Let me know in the comments down below if you would try this too. Overall, the ice cream and the muffin pairs really nicely together. I give it a 7 out of 10. Thanks for watching.